The uber competitive college application process is looming. Need help getting prepared? In a sea of qualified applicants, the essay can be the big differentiator, but don't make the same mistakes that other students are making. Essay Cure teaches students how to confidently separate themselves from tens of thousands of qualified applicants whose grades and test scores look just like them academically on paper. Join me, Christine, for a complimentary student-parent discoveries call where I'll show you the syllabus for the upcoming summer workshops and answer any questions you may have. Our summer workshops walk you through outlining your Common App essay, and they teach what colleges are looking for and red flags that students don't want to showcase in an essay. What's a personal statement and what does it look like on the page? And how to approach short answer supplemental essays. Don't wait until fall to start working on the college application process, because once students start their senior year, they'll be knee-deep in AP classes and activities and homecoming. Register your senior today so they can enter their senior year with confidence.